It is also available in glass green color. Store all your favorites in one place with 128GB ROM, expandable up to 1TB. Designed with 6GB plus 3GB RAM for easy multitasking. It supports all Indian 5G bands. Moving on to its 6.5 HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate with wide-vine L1 DRM protection to enjoy all your content in high resolution. Capture your epic moments with 2K video recording with AIS support. This smartphone is powered by clean Android 12 OS and octa-core 2.2 GHz MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The smartphone includes power adapter, USB cable, SIM tray ejector and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking.